Did you know that missing just one Palm Beach County tax deadline could cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars? Today, I'm going to break down every important date, the exemptions you may qualify for, and exactly what happens if you miss those deadlines, so you can keep more money in your pocket and avoid unnecessary stress. Look, nobody likes that heart-dropping moment when a big bill shows up in the mail. I've worked with families who panicked when they realized they missed a property tax payment, but you don't have to go through that. Here's the simple truth. Palm Beach County mails property tax bills every November. You have until March 31st of the following year to pay. Pay early, and you can even get a discount. And let's be honest, wouldn't you rather spend that money on boat fuel, a round of golf, or a family dinner out instead of handing it over in penalties? Let's start with the calendar. Here's how Palm Beach County property taxes actually work. November. Tax bills are mailed. If you pay in November, you save 4%. December equals 3% discount. January equals 2%. February equals 1%. March 31st is the absolute deadline. After that, taxes are delinquent, interest starts adding up, and fees kick in. Here's an example. If your tax bill is $5,000, paying in November saves you $200 instantly. If you wait until February, you only save $50. And if you wait past March 31st, you'll pay penalties on top of the full amount. Think of it like setting an alarm clock for peace of mind. Pay early, and you can relax knowing it's taken care of. It's basically Black Friday for your taxes. The earlier you check out, the more you save. Now, let's talk about saving even more. Exemptions. Homestead exemption, up to $50,000 off your assessed value. Senior exemption, additional savings for qualifying seniors. Veterans and disability exemptions, special programs that lower your bill. Palm Beach County reports over 250,000 homeowners use the homestead exemption every year. That's money that stays in their pockets instead of going to the tax collector. These exemptions can make a huge difference for families, retirees on fixed incomes, and our veterans. It's relief where it matters most. Think of exemptions like secret coupon codes for your property taxes, and who doesn't love a discount? So, what happens if you miss the March 31st deadline? Taxes become delinquent. Monthly interest and penalties start adding up. By June 1st, a tax certificate may be sold at auction. If left unpaid long enough, the property itself can be at risk. The county sells tax certificates to investors. That means someone else is essentially paying your taxes in exchange for earning interest. And you're on the hook for paying it back, plus fees. I've seen homeowners lose sleep over this. It's stressful, it's expensive, and it's avoidable. Trust me, you don't want to end up in what I call the tax trouble club. The membership perks, penalties, late fees, and lots of headaches. Now, let's clear up something really important. What if you have a mortgage? If you have a mortgage, chances are your lender collects a portion of your property taxes each month as part of your escrow account. That means instead of paying one big bill in November, your taxes are spread out into smaller monthly payments built into your mortgage. For many homeowners, this takes away the stress of coming up with thousands of dollars all at once. The lender automatically pays your property taxes in November on your behalf. So if you've got a mortgage, you can breathe a little easier. Your bank is basically the kid in school who always hands in their homework on time. They make sure the county gets paid. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more insider tips about living and saving in Palm Beach County. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, my contact info is below. I'd love to help guide you through the process. And yes, even make sure you don't miss any tax deadlines. Okay, so how do you make sure you're always ahead of the game? Set a calendar reminder every November and March. Pay early if you can, get the discounts. Double check your exemption status each year. Use the tax collector's online portal. It's the fastest, easiest way. The tax collector accepts online, mail, or in-person payments. Online gives you instant confirmation. Getting this right gives you peace of mind, one less thing to stress about in your busy life. Set a reminder in your phone, pay online, and then reward yourself. You've earned it. And here's something most people don't think about: how property taxes affect real estate transactions. Buyers. Taxes impact affordability and monthly escrow payments. Sellers. Unpaid taxes must be cleared before closing. Lenders require that taxes are up to date before funding a mortgage. Escrow accounts are adjusted every year to reflect changes in property taxes. When you're moving, the last thing you need is a surprise tax bill waiting at the closing table. I like to say, property taxes are kind of like your home's annual membership fee to Palm Beach County. You want to stay current, or they'll freeze your access. So here's the bottom line. Mark your calendar. Pay early if you can. Apply for every exemption you qualify for, and always check your status before March 31st. By doing this, you'll save money, avoid stress, and stay ahead. Taking control of this means you can focus on the things that really matter: your family, your home, and enjoying life in Palm Beach County. All the key dates, exemptions, and resources are linked below in the description. And remember, don't give Palm Beach County a late fee donation. Keep that money for yourself. If you're planning to buy, sell, or invest here, I'd love to help you navigate not just the taxes, but the entire process. Call, email, or visit my website anytime. And don't forget to subscribe for more Palm Beach County real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.